Still using Gmail or Yahoo for your business emails? You're simply telling the world you're an amateur, and there's some truth in that. At HostScore.net, we get business inquiries every week, and honestly, we trust those with generic email addresses a lot less. A message from you at yourcompany.com instantly feels more credible than one from your name at gmail.com. In this video, I'll show you how to host your own custom email, what your options are, and how to choose the setup that makes sense for your business. So, what exactly is email hosting? Think of it as renting space on a server, but instead of storing web pages, it stores and delivers your emails. When you sign up for email hosting, you're basically telling the internet, hey, my emails live here, under mycompany.com. That's why you can send and receive messages using your domain, not someone else's. Now, why bother with custom email hosting when Gmail's free? The simple answer is because your domain name is your brand, and it builds trust. Custom email hosting gives you three big wins. First, professionalism. It tells people you're serious about your business. A custom address like your name at yourcompany.com instantly builds trust. It looks official, it looks credible, and it makes clients far more likely to reply or take you seriously. Second, security. With your own email host, your messages stay on servers you control. That means you are the one in charge of how your emails are stored and protected, not some big tech company poking around your inbox for data and ad opportunities. And third, scalability. As your business grows, so can your inbox. You can easily add new email accounts for team members, departments, or even temporary projects, all without switching providers or rebuilding everything from scratch. Now let's look at the three main ways to host your custom email. The first option is bundled email hosting. This is when your web hosting provider also includes email with your plan. It's simple, cheap, and works perfectly if you just need a few inboxes. For example, InMotion Hosting provides unlimited email accounts through cPanel, so you can host both your website and emails on the same platform. The only catch? You'll be sharing your storage and bandwidth between your site and your inbox. So if you send a ton of email attachments, space can run out fast. Next up is dedicated email hosting. This option is for users who want more storage, stronger spam protection, and independent performance. Hostinger offers standalone business email plans that let you create up to 50 aliases and send about 1,000 emails per mailbox per day, starting at around 40 cents a month. It's affordable, reliable, and great if you send high volumes or want more control than what bundled plans offer. And then there's the big league option, enterprise email solutions, like Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. These are full cloud platforms that come with professional Gmail or Outlook, shared calendars, and team tools like Drive or OneDrive. They're easy to set up and rock solid in reliability. But they cost more, usually around $5 to $12 per user per month. If your team already uses Google or Microsoft tools daily, this option makes perfect sense. So, how do you decide which one's right for you? Start with these key factors. Security. Look for spam filtering, malware protection, and two-factor authentication. Accessibility. Make sure it supports webmail, IMAP, and POP so you can log in from anywhere. Uptime. Go for at least 99.9% guaranteed availability. And blacklist-free IP. This one's important. If your host's IP is on a blacklist, your emails might never reach clients. If you're not sure where to start, you can always get a free consultation at HostScore.net. Our team can help match your needs with the right host and help you avoid common mistakes. At the end of the day, email hosting is more than just inbox space. It's your business identity. Whether you go for a bundled plan, a dedicated service, or a full enterprise suite, make sure your setup is secure, reliable, and professional. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you find this useful, please like, share, and leave a comment.